This carrot soap will brighten your skin. It will make you have that supple, soft, well hydrated and overall beautiful skin. Hello guys, it's Ada here. How you guys doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make brightening carrot soap for virtually all skin type. So if you want to learn how to make this simple carrot soap for skin brightening, continue watching. This is a video you want to watch because this soap will make you achieve that beautiful skin you need. Okay, so the first ingredient we need is carrot. So this is the carrot we all know. So as you guys can see, the back have been scraped. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to grate the carrot using a grater. So after grating the carrots, this is what we have. So set that aside. Here we have our soap base. Okay, so this is glycerin soap. You can get glycerin soap from people that sell skincare ingredients. Okay, so make sure you get any type of glycerin soap, and we are using this as a soap base. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting the soap into smaller chunks. So glycerin soap is a soap that is very easy to melt. And like I said, this serves as the base of our soap. So I'm just taking my time to just cut it into smaller chunks. After cutting the soap, I'm going to transfer it into a stainless bowl like so. So make sure you transfer into a stainless bowl. So set this aside. So next up, we are going to strain the carrot to get the carrot juice. No water was added to the carrot. Okay, so we extracted the main juice without any water added. So make sure you use a cheesecloth to avoid any form of particles in the juice. So as you guys can see, I'm squeezing out the carrot juice. Just take your time to squeeze out the juice. A cheesecloth is the best to use to strain this carrot juice. Like I said, we want to avoid any form of particles. So we are done with that, and here we have our main carrot juice. So put the soap into the water in the pot. Like, we are going to double boil this soap to melt. Okay, it doesn't take time to melt. Okay, so as you guys can see, our soap has already melted. So give it some stir. So after stirring the soap, you're going to pour in the carrot juice and you're going to stir and mix very well. You're going to do this for about 5 minutes. Guys, this carrot soup is very easy to make, as you guys can see. It's what you can come up with at home. So we are good to go. The next thing is to remove from heat. And as you guys can see, we have our soap. Add vitamin E oil. You can add the capsule or the bottled vitamin E. So next you add preservative. Then you mix and mix very well. So guys, this soap is still hot. You're going to be fast so that it will not congeal. So make sure you mix this while hot. You have to be fast so it will not get cold and start congealing. So here we have our soap mold. You can use a soap dish or anything you have to pour in your soap. As you guys can see, I'm pouring the soap. And this soap will be left in the room temperature for 24 hours to solidify. You don't need to store in a refrigerator. So after 24 hours in room temperature, this is what we have, guys. Our soap is already ready. So it's time for us to unmold our soap. As you guys can see, we've unmolded our soap. We have our carrot soap. Hope you guys are seeing this soap. It's easy to make. You can make your DIY carrot soap at home. Guys, this soap is very effective when it comes to brightening the skin. So if you are looking for that natural skin brightening soap, this carrot soap is what you want to make. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye.